Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it has been an amazing month. Am I right? I know. There's just so much that we just released this month that I've absolutely fallen in love with. We thought we'd do a little update video or an overview video so you could actually see, just in case you might have missed something that you're definitely going to want to grab, right? The first thing we have was our club set, Sundays to Stamp, and look at how yummy that ice cream looks. It actually does look good enough to eat, doesn't it? I absolutely love how cute this is, and it came with the dish, it came with the ice cream, the add-on was part of the little spoon. Absolutely adorable. We also released our frog little peep. I love him. Now here's another one of the frog little peep with the barn. I absolutely love these little peeps, and it's so fun because their clothing is interchangeable. You can put the clothing on any little peep. Oh my goodness, I love them. We also released by request the HSN truck that we did. We put this on HSN over a year ago. It completely sold out, and we finally brought it back to our customers. And look at how cute that is. Now here it is with the little monsters. Here it is with Ken and Stephanie, and of course it makes the perfect card, but look how cute that is with all those little guys. Here's one with just some flowers in the background. You get to pick how you decorate this guy. Now, we also, here's another froggy. I love him with the little pool, so cute. Oh, we also released our basic step up. Now this is a blast from the past that we've brought back to life. It was in the vault for a long time, and I felt it was time to bring it back. This is our basic step up. I know most of you have made one of these by hand, but they take forever to make. Now you can just run it through the die cut machine, and it does all the work and the measuring and the scoring and the cutting for you. So fantastic. Here we have a cute little strawberry. Fold it, open it up. There's your cute little card. The shaped cards are so much fun. I absolutely love them. Whoa, look at this guy. This is on a big slimline card. You can add those ice creams with that waffle cone add-on. So adorable and so fun. Or you could use those waffle cones with the soft serve ice cream if you want to. Lots and lots of choices. One of the things that I say to my youngest daughter all the time is, I miss your face. I miss your face, Katie. I want to see you. I miss your face. Here's another one. And you know what? It's something that I say so often to her, I had to make a die out of it. Now, the nice thing about this die is you can use the positive or the negative, because as you can see, the negative is all one piece. The O in the center, the R in the center, the A, they all stay in there. So you don't have to use your tweezers and get it all together. It all is still one piece, which is really fun. Here's another example of the I miss your face. And every time I say it, I think of Katie because I always say that. We also released our mini Pudgies #2. So here we go. This is our cute little owl, a doggy, a raccoon. Here's another version of a whole bunch of those options. This also included our holiday Pudgies, including the turkey and the reindeer. But look at how cute those little guys are. They're so adorable. We also released another little peep. This is the little dog. So adorable, so cute. I think he's just, oh my gosh, look, he's got a little friend for my friend. Now here's another I miss your face. I had to pull a whole bunch of samples just because I love this one so much. And then we also had, because it's almost back to school, we have an apple fold it. So we have a strawberry fold it and an apple fold it. Fold-its are so fun because shaped cards just add a whole bunch of different dimension and excitement than a regular rectangle card, right? Or instead of doing a rectangle card, you could also do a scalloped card. Look at that. Here's our cute little ice cream ready to go. This came actually from our kit club because there's paper pads in there that you can die cut with the dies from the Die Hard Club to make a fast, quick, easy card. Now, club members, every single item I just showed you, guess what? You got a 15 to 20% discount off of all of them. And if you got them on flash sale, imagine the discounts. You got the flash sale, the club discount, you get to double dip on all of those discounts. Isn't that awesome? I know, it's amazing. And of course, you're getting the club points and you're getting the gift certificates once you've been in the club a full year. And it's just absolutely amazing, isn't it? If you're not in the club and you have no idea what I'm talking about, go to the website, thestampsoflife.com, click on the little tab, join the club, and watch that video. And you know what? You're gonna fall in love with how awesome our products are and how awesome it is to go to a website and have it be on sale for you every single day. 15% off. If you do the Gold Club, 20% off every single day. Every order you place, as long as you're a club member. It's amazing, I know. Thank you so much, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.